You don't think I can cool this garage off with these? Hold my beer.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing today. We're back in the newly redesigned Studio C, and we're gonna check out something a little different. But if you're tired of sweating through summer like I am, and you're freezing in the colder months, or watching your power bill just skyrocket, this one might actually be worth paying attention to. And if you've ever had a window AC that sounds like a jet plane, it barely cools the room, or it leaves you needing a completely separate heater when temperature drops, then today's review might solve a few of those problems. We have the ZAFRO AURO Heat and Cool Window AC, and this promises to be a powerful cooling and heating solution with quiet operation. It has smart controls and better energy efficiency thanks to that inverter technology built in. But there's also a big question. Can the smart window AC actually cool your room fast, keep you warm in winter, stay quiet, and save money on electricity? Well, today we're going to find out. We're going to cover the specs and features, the installation and setup, real-world cooling and heating performance, noise testing, smart app controls and Alexa compatibility, and whether this is actually worth your money. So let's get into it. Joe, roll the clip, please. Welcome back to beautiful Studio C at Supercar Street Racing. And today we are starting with specs and what makes the ZAFRO AURO different from a traditional window air conditioner. And this unit comes with an 8100 BTU SACC cooling capacity or 12,000 BTU ASHRAE, along with 8,000 BTU heating capacity, which means it's designed to cool rooms quickly in the summer and also keep spaces warm during colder months. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between SACC and ASHRAE, here's the quick explanation. ASHRAE is the maximum cooling output measured under ideal test conditions, while SACC gives a more real-world estimate of cooling performance after accounting for heat generated during operation. So, generally speaking, SACC gives you a better idea of what to expect in everyday use. One of the biggest selling points here is the full DC inverter system. Instead of constantly turning off and on like the older AC units, inverter technology adjusts the power dynamically to maintain temperature more efficiently. And that means the system works smarter instead of harder, and that helps reduce sudden power spikes, keeping temperatures more consistent, lowering that operating noise, and potentially helping with saving energy over time. And according to ZAFRO, this heat and cool model delivers an energy efficiency rating up to 15.1, helping reduce energy consumption compared to more traditional window AC and heating solution. One thing nice about inverter technology is that instead of blasting at full power and shutting off repeatedly, the system gradually adjusts the output to maintain the temperature more efficiently. That can mean more consistent comfort, quieter operation, and potentially lower energy costs. Cooling and heating performance are also a major focus here. The ZAFRO AURO uses 3D airflow distribution, helping spread more evenly around the room instead of blasting one area while leaving hot or cold spots elsewhere. You also get multiple operating modes. It does cool, it does heat, it does dehumidify, fan, eco mode, sleep mode, mute mode, a lot of different things. So whether it's a hot summer day, a chilly night, overnight sleeping, or just circulating air, there's a setting for pretty much every situation. Another feature I know a lot of people care about is noise level, and this one is surprisingly impressive. Sleep mode can operate as low as 32 decibels, which is also incredibly quiet for a window AC and heater combo. For comparison, that's close to a library type sound. So if you're putting this in a bedroom, an office, an apartment, gaming room, guest room, quiet operation could be a major advantage.
This is eco mode. Actual audio. You can barely hear this thing at all. Listen to this.
You also get multiple ways to control it. You get touch controls on the unit, a physical remote control, smartphone app access, Amazon Alexa compatibility, and Google Home voice control, which means, yes, you can literally tell your AC or heater to change the temperature without getting out of bed. Now, let's talk installation. One of the nice things about window units like this is you don't need permanent modifications, which makes this especially useful for renters, apartments, bedrooms, offices, or temporary setups. And since this is a heat and cool unit, you're essentially getting year-round functionality without needing separate systems. Today, we're going to install the ZAFRO AURO into a standard window setup. Now, our first impressions were the unit feels solid, it does feel modern, it actually looks cleaner than most traditional AC window units. The controls are very straightforward and setup was pretty simple overall. Now obviously installation time can vary depending on your window type, but for most people this should be manageable. Now for the real test, how fast can this thing actually cool or heat a room? The room was already kind of cool when we got in there, so we wanted to see if we could drop the temperature even more. We started up around 77 or 78 degrees, which is warm, and we started measuring when the temperature got down to around 74, and we put the ZAFRO AURO to work. Within a short amount of time, you could feel the temperature dropping, and thanks to that higher cooling capacity and even air circulation, the room started becoming more comfortable and more comfortable. The one thing I noticed is the airflow felt more evenly distributed compared to older style units. Instead of one freezing spot and hot corners, the cooling felt more balanced. And when I switched over to heating mode, it raised the temperature up a couple of degrees. Now, we didn't go through a full heat test because it is Florida and also it is very hot outside. So the hot outside and no insulation in the garage would affect the heating test dramatically. And you don't have to have a separate space heater when you have this thing. It helps warm the room for you. Now, obviously, room size, insulation, sunlight, outside temperature, and room layout will all play a role. But overall, the performance felt strong. Now let's test the noise. At higher settings, you can still hear airflow as expected. But switching it into sleep mode, it becomes noticeably quieter.
You can barely hear this thing at all.
If you're sensitive to sound while sleeping, this could genuinely make a big difference. Now, let's check out one of the coolest parts of the ZAFRO AURO, and that's the smart controls. You can connect the unit through the ZAFRO app, which gives you remote access to your air conditioner and heater. And honestly, this is way more useful than it sounds. Inside the app, you can turn the unit off or on remotely, change cooling or heating settings, adjust the temperature, you can switch between modes, you can set schedules, you can monitor operation. So imagine this, you're heading home from work, before you even walk in the door, you turn on the AC, and it's during the summer or heat during the winter, right from your phone. And that's actually pretty convenient. And if you're using a smart home setup, it also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. That smart home integration definitely adds convenience, especially if you're someone who likes automation. So after spending time with the ZAFRO AURO heat and AC window unit, what do I think? Well, the pros are strong cooling performance, a built-in heater for colder months, energy-efficient inverter technology, and surprisingly quiet sleep mode. It has smart app and voice control, and multiple cooling and heating modes. It's a great option for bedrooms, apartments, offices. Now, what are some of the cons I found? Window installation still takes some setup, and larger rooms could take longer to heat or cool, depending on your layout, your insulation, all that, temperature outside. But overall, if you're looking for a quiet, smart, energy-efficient heat and cool window unit that works year-round and gives you more control, the ZAFRO AURO is definitely worth considering. And if you want to check out one for yourself, I'm going to put the link down in the description, so grab one and see if it works for your setup. And the nice thing is the link includes both the heat and cool only version, so you can choose whichever makes the most sense for your needs and your climate. And if you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell icon for Supercar Street Racing, and drop a comment letting me know below. Would you rather have one system for both heating and cooling, or keep them all separate? Also check out Second Car Street Racing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Joe, please turn the camera off.